In this video, we're going to show you how to add branches to a company in the GetWork Gear Administrator Dashboard. Go to Branches and then Add New. Add the branch name. If you're allowing employees to change the delivery address, enter the custom freight charge. Add the delivery address. And then enter the freight charge for delivering to that address. For branches, you can add multiple delivery addresses that are available to the front-end user. You can also allow managers to approve an employee's orders at that particular branch by checking the box shown. Here, in the branch section, you can set managers who are capable of overseeing employees within that specific branch. If you have any questions, please get in touch.